Okay, namhlanje semhlanga ngithe ngiphume nje nomfana wami uNdumiso sizohlangana la noma mncane Andile noma mncane Umihle.
Ngihamba nobaba esebusuku siya ku restaurant thoba ufuna ukungikhipha just that we can have a chat together.
But ulophuzana nosamgadile always.
Wow. Always.
Ukapeka mehle ketho lokho.
No.
Yeah, no.
All my time.
uNdumiso ngimtshela ukuthi siyapi ngithe nje siphumeni kancane uphelezela ubaba so akazi yena mengingena emotweni akazi kubhekwephi.
Mina nguMihle and I'm Zama's friend. Namhlanje sisemhlanga. Babzungu called me and invited me for dinner. I was a bit worried because we usually meet in group settings. So asazi ukuthi sibizeleni namhlanje. Nahamba noto Obama.
Hayi. Simshiyile. Kanindaba fancy ixoxe zenza ukuthi simshiye.
Andile walks in, umngani wami noZama, and now I'm starting to actually get worried because kwakuyimina no Andile who were called when Uzama was sick. So now I'm really worried.
Sibizelene. Since sibe late.
Yeah.
Meeting.
Namhlanje ngicelile ukuthi abazongilekelela ngifuna ukushaya into encane nje for umama surprise ngimqale phansi ngithi hayi ake ngicela ukuthi angishade futhi so ngizocela bona usibangilekelele namhlanje ukuthi siplane lo lusuku. No mama, I think ayikho into enkulu kangako but inkulu yona ngifisa ningisize ngifuna nje ukumqala phansi impropose kabusha.
Wow, that's
so sweet.
Yeah, so I want to start afresh, everything.
Manje ukaphaze kanjani like kushela bayafazi no okay azothi.
I want to went as far as ngabe ngiyorilobola again.
Oh.
You understand? So I want to start with the proposal. Hambe futhi ngiphindele kaMtshali ngiyolobola. Then we do all these things, a build up. Phela fanele siqale phansi inkomo zibheke lapha ya empangeni kohlabangani. Siyobonga nje sekuyobonga manje noma sinegotiate sothi nje kancane kodwa ufuna ukuphinda lezi abangibiza zona. Njengoba senza ngifuna uqala ngimpropose kabusha. Wayethe vele umuntu odinga ukuthi senze a wedding.
Yeah, kumnandi la etafuleni nabezihluthu ubaba ufuna uengage uma again.
Usanye ningisize ekuhleleni lokho ukuthi ngikwazi ukumpropose. It's a surprise. I don't want it to be a big thing.
Yeah, I wasn't expecting ukuthi uzompropose futhi mhlambe I was expecting him to say umplanela a nice vacation, umplanela, you know, a nice get together. So I was not expecting a reproposal.
Look,
In your idea, what did you want to do? Mhlambe we can improve from that.
Kuloko.
Yeah.
Okay, mina for now into ebalekile is the venue. The venue mhlawumbe I know I trust you to lenza sikhethele indawo right but not enkulu kakhulu, and then the decor, and then will you marry me? Nanje linda ukuguqa nje nanto bengiyenza. Engiyazi ukuthi nje ngoba omunye ngizobuye ngikubone kodwa ngifuna le party yokuguqa.
Okay.
I want to surprise her. Ngiyazi ukuthi uzoba surprised. She's very grateful in many things that I do for her. And again, it's quick.
Quick.
Yeah, quick.
I think
quick is not a problem though.
I think
that
before-
depends on what no muthe.
But also I think before we
So quick, I'm thinking.
As long as we are go out.
Okay.
But I think before si plan, I think on behalf of Zama, I'd like to say thank you. Because the past couple of years have been hectic for Zama.
Yeah.
She was sick, and that didn't only affect her physically. It affected her mentally, it affected her emotionally. And then she didn't deal with Leah trauma.
Yeah.
Because she wanted to be brave for you, she wanted to be brave for the kids, she wanted to pull a brave face for us because wayesibona sithukile sonke.
Yeah.
And uthe sa process leyo the break-in happened.
No.
she did not allow herself also to go through wonke lo my emotions.
Yeah.
She was strong for you, she was strong for the kids. So I think this is something she needs for her healing journey.
Yeah.
So nje sisibakaza mankosi yami siyabonga manzini.
Oh, siyabonga.
Siphathela kahle sweet.
In that note, I'm sure you're gonna relook at the budget. Yabo.
I am super excited, ngengilale, and more than anything, I'm bothered because I can't tell Uzam. Angikwazi ukumxoxela. She's one person engizodonsipona mengifike ngithi lalela or so now I have to keep this mina, but I'm very excited.
Wena kodwa esikudinga kuwena gcina lemfihlo.
No problem. Yo, I feel special. Gashe yo. Actually indaba enkulu kangaka mina who I am and usimanga nokulethu bengatshelwanga lezo indaba. So, I feel like a big brother.
Please try and keep it as secret as it is. As much as you can. I'm happy. I just can't wait for a reaction yakhe towards this. But I know it was what Jabula nae.